Follow the steps on how to create an editable halftone text effect like this in Illustrator. Let's start with a new document. First, prepare the background. Press Ctrl 2 to lock. Type a text. Set the font type and size. Remove the color. Next, prepare the appearance panel. Add a new fill. Change it with gradient color. Change the angle. Then open the effect and add a color halftone. You can set it like this. Change the opacity to multiply. Add a new fill. Change the color to white. Move it down. Add an offset path. Add a new fill again. Move it down. Select the color black or dark gray. Add an offset path. Open the Effect menu and go to Transform. Set it like this. Duplicate it and move it down. Change it to white. Edit the offset path. Also add a drop shadow. Go to Gradient Options to set the halftone. Press G to bring up the gradient bar. Select and change the color here. Or you can also add a gradient color. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.